Hello and welcome to this flight review. My name is Chris and I do flight, hotel and cruise reviews with a Swiss German accent. Today I fly for the first time ever Air India. I was looking forward to this flight for quite a while as previous reviews I found online are pretty polarizing. With the airline being part of the Tata group again, a transformation of Air India is currently underway, so I have absolutely no idea what to expect. Therefore, it has hardly ever been so easy to form an unbiased opinion. Said that, let's fly to India. It's early morning, but I'm already at the airport, the Novotel Suvarnabhumi Airport Hotel respectively, which is within walking distance from the check-in area. If you would like to see a review of this practical yet aging hotel with this impressive lobby, then let me know in the comment section below. My flight today is Air India 333 to Delhi and I will be flying in business class, which allowed me to jump the very long queue in front of the economy check-in desk. Check-in went very smoothly and within minutes I was on my way to the security and passport control. Air India doesn't have an own lounge in Bangkok, so I was invited to access the Singapore Airlines Silver Chris Lounge, which is a gem. Nice food, comfy and interesting drinks. Too soon it was time to head to the gate where my Airbus A320neo just rolled onto the stand. At the time of booking, this flight showed a Boeing 787, so I was a bit disappointed when I later found out about the aircraft change. Still, I'm excited to fly Air India finally. It's boarding time, it's Air India time. The welcome was concise and here we have the 3 rows of business class seats in a 2-2 configuration. Not 3-3 like with most European airlines. A true business class. The seats look and feel pretty dated and you wouldn't think you sit in the latest generation Airbus A320 version. But I must admit the seats are very comfortable. Wide, soft and clean. Each seat comes with a blanket and a golden pillow. The seat pockets contain the safety instructions for this A320neo aircraft. And there is also the Air India in-flight magazine called Namaste. I was greeted again with a choice of welcome drink consisting of orange or apple juice. I also received the business class menu for this flight. I was surprised that no alcohol is offered on this flight, although Air India isn't a dry airline. Well, no problem for me this morning. The aircraft has individual air fans, which we all like. And I was also handed out a hot hand towel. I'm getting the full business class pre-flight pampering. So far, no complaints from my side. We are on our way to India. It's not only my first time with this airline, but also my first time in India. we are climbing out of Suvarnabhumi and I just discovered this footrest, which I haven't seen in a business class for a long time. Very retro. The seat recline is very limited, so I'm glad the flight to Delhi is only 4.5 hours and in daytime. And the headrest also can be adjusted. A few minutes after takeoff, I was rewarded with this incredible view of downtown Bangkok. What a mega city! Bye bye Bangkok, see you hopefully soon again. Well, the fabrics used for these seats is pretty nice and seems robust. Some other parts of the seat are in a terrible state. I'm hoping the current airline transformation will take care of this. Breakfast is being served and I decided to go for the banana and oats smoothie with pastries, a fruit yogurt and fresh fruit, and the entree called cooked oat and broken wheat breakfast served with fruit pieces, mango sauce and muesli. Finally, I would round up the breakfast experience with a masala coffee. Overall, a lovely breakfast experience. And one of the cabin crew was so curious and excited about my filming activity, and she ended up subscribing to my channel. How nice is that? Maybe you consider doing the same. A quick visit to the forward bathroom to give you an impression of an Air India narrow-body aircraft lavatory. Not much to tell, pretty standard. Also no special products for business class, as you sometimes would see with other full-service carriers. Back at my seat, I took some time to catch up with work, while we approached the Indian coastline. I asked for a soft drink, which was brought to me immediately. And I checked out the Air India route map in their Namaste magazine, valid as of October 2023. I wonder how this map will change in the upcoming transformation months and years. We have started our descent towards Delhi, so let's buckle up, put the shoes back on, close trousers button and belt, and put the seat back into an upright position. A quick summary of my experience. The seats showed a lot of damage, but were very comfortable. The crew was lovely and I felt being taken care of. The food was nice and additional requests were handled without hesitation. Overall, I would say I had a very pleasant flight and I would choose Air India business class again. But I still would like to try the Boeing 787 as well, 6 out of 10. The smog in this area is intense, but we landed safely and punctual at Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport. Welcome to India. I hope you liked my flight review and maybe leave a thumbs up, as this will help me grow my channel. Thanks for watching, have a great day, bye for now.